You spoiled our secret. How? Sorry, they wanted to know. Wow, wow, this is so cool. Why do you want to hide this from us? Um, when does the beer ours? That's why you disappear at night. Yep. Okay. Okay. So this is nice. Okay, I'm leaving. Whoa, there's an Xbox controller in here. Dang it, this thing don't even work. Come on. Wow, that's disappointing. What's this? Okay, what? What? So, what do you think? This person needs clean. Really, Matilda? You want to clean this place up? Show some mercy. Wow, we got kicked out. Or, not the first time we got kicked out. So, this is a really cool place. Yeah, it's our new hideout. Yep. Anyone's welcome here, you know. What about Matilda? Maybe if you don't feel like cleaning this place up, she's welcome to. Thank you. Cool, you didn't get kicked out. That place was kind of boring. Matilda, you can come in here. I'm still need to clean this place up. For what? Makeup crap, come on. So it's like Matilda, why do you need makeup for? I'm not doing that. I just want to hang out with you guys. Okay. Dibs on the Xbox. Hey, what the? I like how you ate the Xbox controller. Come on. How the heck you eat that thing? Wow, that tastes like wax. Well, you shouldn't have eaten it. Okay. Let's play some Xbox. Okay, what?